Welcome. Today, Python Automation for Office Workers in 2026 Complete Guide. Why Python matters for office workers. Python is transforming how office tasks are completed. Learn how to automate repetitive work and focus on high-value activities. Python Basics for Non-Programmers. Understand essential Python concepts without technical jargon. Get started with simple scripts that solve real office problems. Automating Excel tasks with Python. Master Pandas and OpenPixel to automate data analysis, reporting, and complex calculations in Excel files. Email automation and data processing. Automate email responses, extract data from attachments, and process information across multiple systems efficiently. Creating custom office automation tools. Build personalized tools that integrate with your existing workflow and solve your specific office challenges. If this helped you, subscribe for more tips like this.